Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you why your captions aren't appearing in your exported Descript videos and how to fix it. First, check the most common issue. You forgot to turn on Burn in Captions. When you click Export, look for the toggle that says Burn in Captions or Include Captions. If it's off, your subtitles won't appear on the video. Turn it on. Second, make sure you actually added captions. Click the Captions button at the top. If no captions are generated, click Generate, or check that you have a transcript. No captions, nothing to burn in. Third, check your export format. You must export as MP4 video. Other formats like audio only or subtitles only won't include burned-in captions. Fourth, check your caption visibility. In the caption settings, make sure the toggle for Show Captions or Enabled is turned on. If captions are hidden in your editing view, they won't export either. Fifth, try clearing your browser cache or restarting Descript if you're using the web version. Sometimes the export preview gets stuck. If none of these work, export the file again but choose a different style preset before exporting. This can reset any hidden glitches. And that's it. Check your burn-in toggle, confirm captions exist, verify MP4 format, ensure captions are visible, and restart if needed. If this solved your problem, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. See you in the next